Good morning. Let's go. This is what I do every morning. I just wake up first. I sit near this window and I look outside. Even if I'm waking up to go to work, I always sit here at least for 5 minutes and relax. Doing nothing. I don't do really anything. Like, I wouldn't even be on my phone or whatever. I think for 5 minutes I'll just sit down here and look outside. It's so nice and peaceful. Yeah, I won't be keeping up for 5 minutes, so then the whole vlog will become of 5 minutes. Every morning I used to wake up to Eldon, besides me, and then he used to go to work and all. Now I'm in UK, he's in Switzerland, and it's not a long distance relationship. There is 1 hour difference over there. He's 1 hour ahead of us, and I miss him a lot. I also miss him when I cook food, because I know exactly, what he used to eat, what he used to like, how he used to not. He does not like vegetables. He does not like. So I had to trick him into eating vegetables like a child. So yeah, I used to cook according to his taste. And I think all my cooking now is going around him only. Even today, even like these days, it's like shopping. If I go, I'm like, I don't know what to shop for me. I just know like what he likes. And I'm like, okay, I just buy stuff whatever he likes, and I keep that into my list of shopping. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Mother Mary. And I'm ready to go. Let us go. Our bus is another 5 minutes. So over here, right, we have something known as the Oyster card. Okay. So before we enter the bus, we tap it. Our money gets deducted, and then you can take as many as buses in that 1 hour that you want. And yeah, it gets one. Before it was 1.50, now it's 1.55. You can also use your contactless card and tap. That is the same amount that gets deducted. And after 3 taps, your journeys are free during the day. In the buses, after 3 taps, 3 to 4 taps, your journey is free. So it's fine. Hello. Thank you. Almost reached somewhere. It's around here. I don't know where. This is the dead end. I don't know what's happening. Video took me somewhere else, and her house is here. यही है वो जिसने मुझे गलत एड्रेस दिया. Two chicken biryani. To eat here. Yeah. What have you? And then this is for you. Yay! And we are back home. After a tiring day, much needed. This feels so good. I can't even describe the feeling. You know the one I watch Mr. Beast, And I love his channel because of his daughter in it, Rashi. And in Mr. Beast, he says every time something good happens or he's done something nice, he goes like, "Great success!" So today's day was great success. The weather is so beautiful outside. It's so nice and romantic. Very romantic weather. It just makes me want to sit near my window and, stare outside. The clouds are so pretty. I don't know, the weather is so beautiful. And look at this guy. Hello! You're muted. See the weather outside. I miss you. I miss him a lot. Especially in this weather. Look at the weather outside.
It's the same here. Same weather.
I wish he was there here.
Yeah. Pretty soon.
You want to say something?
Yeah. Subscribe, comment, and share Bushu's video.
Besides that.
Besides that, share the video.
Oh my god. My biggest support in my life.
Of course.
The time is 8:24 to you. Can you see it's 8:24 p.m. Okay. You can see it is so bright outside. Can you see the sunset? It is so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. You just cannot predict the weather in the UK. It can be warm and sunny in the morning, and then by the evening it's cold. It can be rainy. You just cannot predict the weather. Ooh, someone's parcels are coming. DHL. Sorry. So finally I have completed editing my vlog and uploading it. It's on my channel, vlog number 13, Shisha with my friends. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's just kind of a daily routine vlog. I always like to light these candles. These are the LED ones, the light ones. See? And whoop! So beautiful. My altar looks so beautiful. See you guys in the next vlog. Stay tuned. Please do subscribe, like, and share if y'all have not. Many more videos are coming up, dance videos. I'm gonna be coming up with reaction videos as well. So stay tuned. Do support my channel. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye.